Guluva Nation, anginibongele nje nge-success yenu. I've been thinking ukuthi nje shem sengithula njenganibongeli. Again, I don't think I did anything amazing to contribute to the success, but I appreciate that you guys appreciate the law that I did for Usweet Guluva. Unokwazi bekapost video manje ubuza ukuthi ingoma iphume yini. So I've spoken to Bonge Zwane, uMaka Usweet Guluva, who I went to school with, behlale Domindawonye, can you believe it? And I told her ukuthi sinokwazi we have the intention yokurekhoda ingoma and would like to feature Usweet Guluva. Akakaphumi eBig Brother house yet, but angiyanazisa nje ukuthi that's the plan that's in motion. And we'll do whatever we need to do to help. Ubonge yena bengibuza advice ukuthi bangamsiza kanjani ukuthi aqhubele phambili, but I trust that you guys are going to hold him down. But bengifuna nje ukuthi guys, congratulations, nisebenzile, niwinile.
Things are looking really good for Usweet Guluva njengoba uDJ Zinhle has decided ukuthi feature kwengoma yakhe lato ikhipha uthi bese kakhulumile lokuningi nama Usweet Guluva uthi njena indule emangalisako leningayade ukuthi yena ufunze naye phela ama Usweet Guluva lokungende wadibuta ukuthi hayibo guys DJ Zinhle musisho ukuthi mtsala ifunze nama Usweet Guluva and ma Usweet Guluva mntwana yakhe Usweet Guluva una 23 hayibo guys DJ Zinhle guys emtsala. So bale baningi bamjabulele ngendlela esimanga clearly sisatombona even more Usweet Guluva kuma screen wethu asikagcinanga nje kumbona lapha ku Big Brother. Azothi Usweet Guluva udoba mningi laphana ku entertainment industry. Siyamjabulela ngendlela lesimanga, siyaqhubeka sithi halala. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm signing out. Goodbye.